Today I'm working on a 2014 Land Rover Evoque. Customer is supplying the key and requested I just program it for him. He was having issues with the one that he currently has due to water damage. The device I'll be using to program the key is the Autel IM608. Once you have everything connected, you're going to scroll down to Land Rover. Then you're going to press automatic selection and read the VIN automatically. Once it decrypts the VIN number, you're going to select Control Unit, then Keyless System, add key, follow the steps, make sure you have the key ready in your hand and have a good battery in the remote. Once you've completed all the steps, test the remote by pressing lock and unlock and giving the vehicle a start to make sure everything programmed properly.